See, now here's some tomatoes that I would have probably picked before, but I left them for you. There's some down inside there too. But picked them already under normal circumstances, but there's two different kinds here. About 10 years ago or so, I ordered some stuff out of a catalog, and this was a free gift thing. It was about 6 of these little seeds, and I mean, they were just little bitty things like that. And I've been planting them all these years. Now that there is a summer squash that I just planted on the 1st. And they're
Nice.
that big already. This here, I had peas on this vine, but this is just peppers in here now. And there's some that are pretty nice sized peppers in here. So they're doing okay. And see, now this is growing. There's new growth here on these, so they're doing just fine. And there's flowers coming on them. Cherry tomatoes. And I think the rabbits started in on them now. I have ever grown.
Aside as eggplants.
Is a female flower. It was open this morning, but this is the female. See, there's the little, this is a acorn squash. Now, these flowers were open this morning. This is a male. See, it's on that long stem. You got to get the pollen from these male flowers to this female flower, or this thing won't produce, it won't grow to anything.
Okay.
They're different. The tomato, everything of a tomato flower is in that flower. There's pollen in there, and it can pollinate itself. It doesn't need to have pollen from another flower to produce a tomato. Where these guys do and those guys. Now this thing here is my pride and joy of the year. These are scarlet runner beans. And look at the size of the pod, and they'll get bigger than that because they don't like the hot weather. But I'm surprised that there's any pods on them. But I think the flowers are beautiful. And there's a lot of work put in that. Like this big around with a big head in them. Well, that's what the rabbits have been eating on. The rabbits have been eating them. And I just let them go. I thought, out of hell with it. And they're all harvested and everything. Those potatoes, there's those two plants and this thing here. I planted them around Easter time. This is a different variety. And they're like a jalapeno, they're hot. I just picked a whole boatload of some more green peppers. See, they're just It's just a different kind than is down on the other end, but they're just green peppers.
Mm-hmm.
This stuff here, Jennifer gave me the bulbs. What I call them. I don't know if that's the correct name or not. And I've planted them in different places over the years.
Mm-hmm.
And they seem to be doing really quite well here. I had one, I planted them up underneath the end of the deck
Mm-hmm.
originally.
Mm-hmm.
And I had one of these leaves was 39 inches. Well, the rabbits mowed off 2 of them.
Oh, did they?
Chewed them off just like a beaver would chew off a tree.
Oh, gee.
Those are the pole beans. Yellow and everything. They're different squash than what's up on the other end.
Mm-hmm. When will those start producing?
Well, evidently, the squash from that end is all the way down here because 2 acorn squash here,
Hmm.
and they're planted way up there.
Oh.